Hey friends, today you are going to be thinking about book club discussions, but you're going to be thinking about questions within a book club discussion. So, questions can either keep a conversation going and growing, or it can stop it dead in its tracks. And we're going to talk about what makes it happen one way or the other. So, a conversation that maybe gets stopped dead in its tracks would be by asking a question that just requires a really simple answer, or maybe even just a yes or no. An example from each kindness would be something like, what did Chloe do to exclude Maya? Well, it's pretty simple. You just share out the facts from the book, and then that's it. It doesn't leave a lot of room for conversation to keep going. So, if you ask a deeper question that maybe has something to do with disagreeing with something, that pushes your group members to think more deeply and it keeps that conversation going and growing. So, an example of that type of question from each kindness would be, why do you think that Chloe treated Maya the way she did? And then you really kind of have to stop and think about it. It's not an answer that just comes to your mind like that. And then it keeps your group members engaged and they can each share out their thinking. And then it keeps the conversation going and growing because maybe somebody says something and you're like, oh, I didn't even think about that. Or, you know what? I disagree with what you said. So we're not trying to create an argument with your group members, but we are trying to challenge their thinking and challenge your own thinking by asking some deeper questions. And when that happens, it really does make the book clubs more fun rather than just sitting there and sharing out really easy answers. That's not fun. So, a way to have these stronger conversations that keep going and keep growing is to first do some thinking. So, thinking about maybe something that a character did that you didn't like, or something a group member said that you didn't agree with, or maybe something the author did that you didn't like. And these aren't the only things, but this is just to get you started. And once you've thought about those things, here are some things that you can say or question to your group members. So, I disagree because, or I wouldn't have done what that character did when, because, or why do you think the character acted that way? So, that's kind of the question that I shared with each kindness. Why do you think the author chose to do something? And can you explain what gave you that idea? So maybe a group member says something that you're kind of unsure about, and you kind of ask them, hey, can you share a little bit more about your thinking with that? And here is Wiley. He was doing so well in the background, but he wanted to make a special appearance. So here you go. This was unplanned. But hey, thinking back to writing workshop, Sam's making me more flexible, so I just have to go with the flow with this one. All right, friends. So today you are going to be trying this out with Mr. Lincoln's Way. So there's not a new reading for today, but I want you to try out some of these challenge questions and see how that can keep the conversation going and growing within your pod. And it may seem kind of weird today or maybe a little difficult, excuse you, but by the time you're in your own book clubs, this will feel so familiar and it's just going to make it a whole lot more fun. So, good luck today, friends. I can't wait to hear about how it goes.